Hello there! I'm about to introduce you to one of your new favorite shoe companies. Are you ready? 'Cause I am. Let's get started. Wah! If you are new here, I am Jazz, and welcome. And if you are a returner, welcome back. I do want to also start off by saying that I paid for this with my own money. Kind of. This video is going to have a little bit of a story time in it as well, so grab your popcorn. I do also want to say that this company has some of the best customer service I think I have ever experienced in my 26 years of breathing. So without further ado, I'm going to introduce you to Cvlt. I'm pretty sure that's how it's pronounced. I don't know. You see, kids, it's spelled like this, but I'm 98% sure that it is pronounced Cvlt. I'm pretty sure that it is. These are wrapped so nicely. Look at this. They come like wrapped in a little baggie. What? Oh my goodness, the butterfly went right in my face. So these are the original shoes that I had ordered. Look how freaking adorable they are. It's a planchette with the moon phases, and then for the planchette hole, I don't think there's an actual word for it. I think it's just a planchette hole. It's a heart. And they are a velvet material. I had ordered these in a size 8 because they were out of my size, which is a 7. So I was thinking, maybe if I talk my foot into fitting them, maybe they'll fit. Well, kids, I got the shoes and they did not fit. I ended up messaging the company asking, if they had restock in a 7. I know it said that they were out of stock online, but was wondering if they... Trash. I was just wondering if maybe they had backstock somewhere or if they were going to be getting another shipment. So they messaged me back saying that they would check the store inventory to see if maybe they had them, and they didn't, unfortunately. So I was like, can I do maybe like a store credit or something, and because the quality of the shoe is so nice and I just didn't want to give that up. I just wanted a different shoe, and they ended up messaging me back saying, yes, we can do an exchange, you'll just have to pay for the extra of whatever shoe I get. And I was like, yeah, seems fair, right? So I ended up picking another shoe. It's the same style, just in a boot, so it's not the same style, I guess. It's the same design, but instead of a flat, it's a boot. They sent me the shoe. So I had paid for these, and I was like, well, how do you want me to send them back to you? The company's really close to where I live, so I was like, maybe I can at least drive there and drop them off. I don't know, do the switcheroo there. And they told me, and this is where I cried, because I'm always emotional, to just keep the flats and give them to somebody, and that they will ship me the new shoes free of charge. I didn't even pay extra for the boot. They literally just sent me the boot, and I was not expecting that. It was so sweet and so kind, and I was like literally crying. So I'm going to give the flats to my sister, and I did offer to pay. I offered to send money, and they said no, as long as you're happy and healthy in this pandemic, that's all we care about. And I'm telling you this right now, that if you guys don't go buy from them, I will be very sad, because this company is the best. And I wish I could afford to buy more, but I can't at the moment. But I promise you, when I get more money, I will buy more from them, because they have amazing styles online. They're kind of like that pastel, gothy, witchy vibe. Super, super cute if you're into that kind of stuff. Here they are. Are these not freaking amazing? Look at this. These are so cute. They've got a 2-inch rubber heel on it and a little zipper on the back. And they do have these in different colors. I believe they have a black one and a green one, but instead of the heart, it's a moon, which is super cute. But these are very fancy. I don't know when and where I'm ever gonna wear these, but I'm in love with them. So I'm gonna put them on for you. What? Look at these. Also, another great thing, they are made of vegan leather. I'm just gonna go throw the other one on, and we're gonna do a little shoe show for you in the corner here. If you want to find out more about this shoe company or the specific type of shoes that I showed you, I'm going to put them in the description box below, along with the shoe company's Instagram. Again, they are called Strange Cult. 99% sure that that's how it's pronounced. And I just wanted to thank them so much. Also, again, I love my shoes. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to go ahead and do so, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also thumbs up this video. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll put my information there for you. Alrighty guys, I'll talk to you later. Stay safe, guys. Wash your hands and brush your teeth, 'cause your mouth is nasty too.